Alright friends, so we're making the cat. Let's get started. We have these molds to choose from. And then we have different colored clays here. And some more. So, I have picked up the mold for the cat. And I'm going to be using the white color clay to make the cat. And for cat's eyes, I'm going to use the blue color. So to begin with, let's spread the white color clay with a rolling pin like this. You can roll the rolling pin with the palms. Spread it out smoothly. And now, the other side. Take it off so that we can flatten the other side too. To make it broader, so that the mold fits in. The idea is to make it soft and smooth. Alright. Now let's pick it up so that it doesn't stick to the tabletop. Now keep it vertically to fit the mold and place the mold on the clay. And now press it firmly, as deep as you can, like this. Now we're gonna remove the extra clay without moving the mold. Make sure the mold stays steady. Keep the extra clay aside. Remove the extra clay and remove the mold. You can clean up the extra clay to make the cat look cleaner. And you can carve out the tail like this by taking away a little chunk of clay there. Pick it up. Now we have the perfect shape of the cat. And now is the time to make the eyes. So take a little bit of blue clay and roll it on the tabletop. Make a tiny ball and place it here. It's a blue-eyed cat. And for whiskers, let's take tiny strips. And our cute little kitty cat is ready! With whiskers on. That's the tail and the body. Alright, catty kitty. I'll see you later. Meow. Hello friends. Today we're gonna make a palm. So let's get started. So today we're gonna make an interesting object from one of these molds. So, for this, I'm gonna use the beige color And our palm is ready to give high five.